Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the workspace and tools so the swap goes quickly. Power off the headset and remove any detachable cable. This prevents accidental tugging. With the headset on a clean, flat surface, locate the pad seam or clip points and use your fingertips or a small flat tool to unclip one edge. Work slowly and evenly so you don't tear the cushion. Once the first side lifts, continue around the circumference until the old pad separates from the ear cup. You should inspect the exposed bracket and foam for any damage or debris. Cleaning with a microfiber cloth helps the new pad sit properly. Align the new pad's mounting lip with the cup groove, starting at a top anchor point so you maintain orientation. Press the lip into the groove bit by bit, rotating the headset as you go. Stretching slightly is normal, but avoid over-tugging. Make sure the foam compression is even and there are no folds that would contact the speaker. Once the pad is seated, run your fingers around the seam to confirm it's fully engaged and you hear or feel uniform clicks. That means the lip is locked in. Reattach any cables and power the headset to test audio balance and microphone placement while wearing it to confirm comfort. If you notice gaps, uneven pressure, or sound changes, remove the pad and reseat it carefully. Bent clips or trapped debris are common issues and usually fixable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.